Welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to talk about how you can save your money in dollars. Now, as we know, if you live in Nigeria or you live in any other African country, you know that there is inflation currently affecting our currency, and so because of that you might have to do some extra work to make sure that you protect your money against inflation. And that's why I'm doing this video for you, because I've been getting requests from people asking me about how to save their money and invest their money so that they can actually protect their money against inflation. And that is why we are doing this video, and I'll be showing you how to do that. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel we talk about how you can make money for yourself and grow your business. Okay, so kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Try also not to miss any part of this video, because I'll be doing justice to that. So let's get straight into the video. Let me show you how you can save your money in dollars, and we are going to be using the app called Geegpay. All right, if you don't know, Geegpay is actually an app that we use to send and receive money in dollars, in foreign currencies. So let's say you are a freelancer and you offer services online, you can actually receive and send funds using this app, because sometimes your local currency is actually restricted, or is restricting you from doing some transaction that involves international currencies. That is why we are using Geegpay. All right, and if you don't have Geegpay, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there that you can use to sign up. Now, when you sign up on Geegpay, for you to be able to use Geegpay to save your money in dollars, for us to be able to achieve this, you must make sure that after you're signing up, you must make sure that you go through the verification process. It is very, very important. In the course of this video, I will still tell you about it. So for you to get Geegpay, go to the link in the description, click on it, and then it will take you to where you're going to sign up. But for me now, I have Geegpay on my phone, so I'm going to click on the app here. All right, you can see the app there. I'll click on it, and once I click on it, we'll wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. So I think there's an issue here, so I just have to take off the app and restart it again. Restart it again. So just follow me. Let's do it again. Let's click it and open it. Good. So I'm going to insert my password here, and I have to cover this just to protect the password, but just follow me, guys. Let's go. So when you sign up to your Geegpay account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Your own may be looking very fresh, because you not be doing, by when you sign up, it will be fresh. So my own that you're seeing like this is because I've been doing some transactions here. All right, so we are going to use the add funds option. There are two ways we can do it. Is that we use the add funds option, or we can use the accounts option. But there's no issue, whichever way you want to follow, you can still follow that method and do it. All right, so the beautiful thing about this app is that you can send money to people in dollars, in different currencies. You can also have a virtual dollar account here. Look at it. Let me show you. This is my virtual dollar account. All right, it's very smooth and seamless to use this to do your online transaction. Very smooth very seamless, and besides it's secure. All right, I've been using this for a while now, and I can tell you it's very secure. But for you to be able to use it properly, you must make sure that you sign up and follow the verification process and verify your account. When you sign up, they are going to send you a mail to your email telling you to verify. That verification, they just want to know, they just want to do their KYC to know your customer, you understand? So to be sure that you are a real person, because these guys are very legit and they don't want to be dealing with, you know, people who are fraudulent. So you must make sure that you follow all the process. I'm saying this so that you will not say you did not know. All right, let's move to the next part. So for us to save money here in dollars, first thing first, you have to save first on the app, and then when you save first, you can now transfer it to your dollar account. Are you seeing now? Are you seeing the importance of you having a dollar account? Now for us to do that, let's go through our you know, adding of funds. So we come here. Now this is the account for me to send funds, send my money into. Are you getting now? If I want to send money, because you cannot do, if you want to say you want to transfer with your local bank account, you'll be having struggles. You have trouble sending directly from your local account. Are you getting now? So this is the account details where I'll have to send the money to. So for you to do it, so that you can do it very well, you have to have your OPay account. All right, so if you don't have OPay account, you can open one for yourself. You can sign up and have an OPay account. I will drop the link to sign up in the description. All right, so look for it in the description, or check the pin post that I will pin in the comment section. So what do you do now? You copy this link, you copy this now. All right, you copy the account number, you copy the account number. I've copied it now. So because this bank is not in we don't have this bank as a local bank, yeah, all right, because we need OPay to do the transfer for this, what we are going to do is I'll go to my OPay account and send the money to this account. Are you seeing it now? Now how much do we have here? Let's look at this. We have just 92 naira. All right, I'm sending it to my Nigerian wallet so that I can send it to my American account, because as you can see here, we have two different accounts. We have the Nigerian bank account and we have the USD account. Are you getting now? So as you can see, I just have 92 naira. So I want to do it now so you can see. So I will go straight to my OPay account. I'll go to my OPay. I'll open my OPay. I just want to show you how this process works. So I'm going to insert my password, and then I'm going to transfer. Let's just use 1,000 to do this. All right, let's just use 1,000 to do this. So I'm going to come to my OPay. I'm going to just insert the number that I copied, the bank account that I copied. Yeah, I'm going to just pick it here, and then I'll say, just follow me guys. If you have OPay account, it's very smooth. It's very smooth, I can tell you. So the next thing is to, I will pay. All right, let's just follow through. Good, I've done the transfer. So let's just give it a moment and let's see what is going to happen. So let's come here and we are going to refresh. All right, good, it has come. Let's check it. Can you see this place now? It's showing, you can see this place is showing you received 1,000 from, you can see my name there. So let's just check, let's refresh it. You can see it's 92 now. Now it's what? 1,092. Can you see there? That money has been added to the account. So it's now in my Nigerian account. Are you getting it? My wallet on the Geegpay app. Are you getting now? So how do we now convert it? How do we now save it in dollars? So this is where you need to pay more attention. Now we are going to come to this place. We are going to come to this place, right? And we say convert. Are you getting now? We convert. So when we convert, let's go to convert. So just click on convert. When we convert, we are converting that 1,000. Are you getting it now? We are converting that 1,000. We are converting it to dollar. Are you seeing now? So we are converting $1,000. We are converting 1,000 naira, sorry, to dollars. Can you see the conversion now? Can you see? So once we do it that way, we say next. Once we say next, it's going to be converted. Convert money. Just watch what will happen. Are you seeing now? Conversion successful. Your 1,000 currency conversion was successful. So let's go back to home and see. So now let's look at our wallet. Let's look at our wallet. Can you see the wallet now? Can you see that it has converted to $1.61 or whatever you want to call it? Are you getting it now? So by the time the dollar rate increases, your money is not going to be the same amount that you uploaded here. By the time, let's say maybe you are putting in 10,000 or you are putting in 20,000 and you are converting it to dollar, this money will be in your US wallet, your USD wallet. All right. So if there's a dollar increase, your money is going to be increasing. So it's better than staying in your local bank account. Are you getting it now? Because inflation we affect it in your local bank account. Are you getting now? So but the advantage is that when you put it in your USD wallet, if there's an increase in the US dollar, then you know that your money is growing. Are you getting now? So I just use this to show you how you can actually save your money in dollars. Are you getting now? So this is how you can save your money in dollars using your Geegpay account. So you can try this for yourself. It is very, very secure, very, very smooth. I've been using this for a while now. All right, but before you do it, for you to be successful, you have to sign up and you have to make sure that you go through the verification process and do it very well. Otherwise, you will not be granted access to do all of this that I have just done. All right, so that is all I'm going to be saying or doing on today's video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I publish another video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, I'll see you in my next video.